That reform effect is at least for 8 to 10 years.
So demonetization will produce results in 8 or 10 years time?
I am telling you the first thing.
What is perhaps the most controversial economic decision your government has taken? Demonetization. Now, it was initially done to tackle counterfeit currency, terror funding and black money. Later, the Prime Minister added that it would also diminish the quantity of cash in the economy. On practically all those 4 counts, it hasn't achieved very much. And increasingly, there are people who say not just that demonetization has failed, but that it was a mistake to begin with. How do you defend demonetization against its critics?
I'm just telling you only 2 things. After GST and after demonetization, the number of taxpayers are increased. The tax we are receiving is increased. The more transparency is there. Now the corruption cases,
but
there is also a lot of improvement.
Wouldn't those taxpayers anyway have increased? Isn't that just part of the normal secular increase that happens every year? Can you really claim that there was a disproportionate increase because of demonetization?
Because of GST, you just take the revenue record.
But GST is a different subject. I'm talking about demonetization.
I'm telling you, now this is the economic reform of our government. You cannot analyze any economic reform on the 1 year or 2 year. That reform effect is at least for 8 to 10 years.
So demonetization will produce results in 8 or 10 years time?
I am telling you the first thing. I know that you will answer me that question, but I will telling you. The black money, the way in which was increased in the country, and that the reason that there were a lot of business of the black money. The first time now, the business are being transparent, they are paying taxes, they are making registration, and now it is difficult for them to generate black money. But that is the first thing which we have achieved.
Let me pick you up on black money, because for most people, the success of demonetization will depend upon how much black money you identify. Now, you know that initially the Attorney General told the Supreme Court between 4 and 5 lakh crore would be extinguished. In the end, 16,000 crore is all that didn't come back. Then the Finance Minister has said that 18 lakh bank accounts are under scrutiny. Now, for those bank accounts to be scrutinized, the money to be identified, declared as black means you'll be going through legal processes, it will be contested, the process will go on for not just years but decades. You will not produce any black money before the next elections.
You just understand. 18,000 bank accounts which are under scrutiny.
18 lakh.
18 lakh. Now what is the amount is there? And the black money which was not in the system, now people deposit that money into the system.
But you have to prove it's black. It may
100%,
be deposited.
100%.
But proving it means you'll be contested in court. It will go all the way to the Supreme Court. It will take years.
In a democracy, this is the method. We don't have any shortcut for that. You have to prove that.
But it will take 8, 10 years as you suggested. It could take 15, 20.
First of all, the first result is that now people there are a lot of alertness is there. Now no one want to do the black money, those the number 2 transactions, because they are cautious. The government is now taking the stern action. Now the first thing, the system of black money is now stopped.